Now we're just going to walk through a long CFD example, just a very basic overnight hold, just to show you the functionality again and how a CFD works and how you can benefit. So we're going to trade in Rio with an opening purchase price, as you can see, of £47. We're going to buy 100. Now commission paid at this point is the 0.1%. Because we haven't quite reached the in excess of £10,000 position, we're simply going to get our minimum of £10 in commission. There's no taxes applicable to CFDs, so our total exposure, because we're buying 100 at £47, is £4,700. Rio being on a 5% margin means we only have to outlay £235 for that £4,700 exposure, with an initial outlay of $245 if you include your commission. So we hold that overnight in the hope that Rio goes up, and the next day we're correct. Rio's opening price, or the price the next day, has gone up to £48. We're going to sell the 100 that we bought in the first place. Our exposure now is £4,800. The reason we re-look at the exposure is because that's going to be what our commission's based on. But again, because it's under the £10,000 threshold, we're going to be hit with a minimum commission of £10, pretty much industry standard. Again, no VAT included. Now, our financing is going to be paid based on a 3% rate. So that's LIBOR plus a LIBOR rate of 1%, just rounded out, and a margin of 2% on top of that. So the financing for the overnight hold on that position is only 39p. So it's really insignificant in comparison to the size of the trade you've been able to take with only a £235 outlay for the margin. So complete outlay overall, if we take the financing and the two commission charges, is going to be at any one point in time £255, 39p. But our gross profit's 100 quid. If we take away the comms and the financing, it's £79, 61p, which is a 31% return on investment. As we're aware, Rio can easily move that £1 overnight, and that's a huge return considering we only outlaid 235 quid for a margin, and to get £100 gross profit is just really emphasises the advantages of leverage in the CFD market. So that's just your general workings of a basic CFD trade.